I'm finally dressed and whatever. Oh, before I leave the house, I want to show y'all these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous boots that I got as a Christmas present. This is one of my favorite brands to shop with. I haven't got like a lot of stuff from them because life be lifing, but I love their shoes. I love their shoes. I love their brand. I love everything about them. Like, chef's kiss every time. These gorgeous, gorgeous boots. I had my eyeball on them all December. They were like, I don't know what the original price is, so I'll put it in here somewhere, but they're like $2 something, and then they dropped to like $155. And she had bought me some boots, bought me 2 pair of boots that cost more than this one pair that I really wanted. So I was like, well, you know, I don't like those other pair, but I love these, like, love these real bad. They want these real bad. So these are the Elia black leather Sam Edelman boots. Yes, I'm a big foot. I wear a size 11. I don't care. Whatever. Still gonna buy the shoes. These were the last ones they had left. Personally, me, I prefer ordering my shoes online because I'm one of them packaging fanatics. Like, I'm obsessed with like some cute, good packaging. So these are from Nordstrom. It was their last pair, like I said. Open it up. It says Sam Edelman on the inside. Got the boots inside of the boots covers. Excuse the boot cover being ripped. I had already put them on before. But this is what they look like. These, I don't know why. Yes, I do. I do know why. I think these are so sexy. Like, look at you can hear the leather. Oh my God, ain't nothing. Love the way leather sounds. I love the way it feels. Like, love the way it looks. And then I'm one of them girls, I like my heels pointy, babe. So this is the right one. And I pay attention to detail. Oh, y'all can see the price at the bottom. Yes. So this is so chaotic. They were originally $225 and they went down to $155. So I was like, oh yeah, got to get those. Super cute, so cute. That's the right boo. Oh, Sam, if you see this, I promise I'm not abusing none of your material or your products. I'm just excited. This is the left boot. Okay. Yeah. I love the little details on the side. I love this. This one was my favorite part right here. Besides the point, because I love a point. This right here, like this belt buckle, this whole thing, so sexy. Love the emblem on the back. Sam Edelman emblem. And then I love the Sam Edelman emblem and the pinstripe down the center. Love, love, love. One thing I don't love is I miss the zippers that come all the way. I'll pay extra for a zipper. That was my unboxing for the Sam Edelman Elia. It's Elia boots. Love, love, love them. I don't know how I want to style them or wear them yet, but if I now may, I'm gonna make it sexy.